Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to convert your Microsoft Excel file into a PDF document on the 123apps.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, then scroll down to the PDF Tools section and tap on Excel to PDF. After that, click on Choose File in the middle of the screen. Then you should select an Excel file from your documents. Tap on Upload. Click on Download. And here is your PDF document that has been converted from an Excel file. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.